This is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz E350. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium One package, a low-tire pressure indicator, an iPod integration kit, a multi-link rear suspension, the Sport package, a sport suspension, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a home link feature, a multi-disc CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, and this vehicle has fewer than 61,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.